Recently, we have been talking about numerous vector-borne diseases, and one such in this category is Oropouche fever. Now, this is also called as sloth fever. Now, why the name sloth? It was actually identified in a three-toed sloth in the regions of South America. The most important hit areas are South America, the regions of Caribbean islands, Europe, and now cases have been reported even in United States. So India is now again at alert on the Oropouche fever. The symptoms are very similar to dengue and Zika, which includes headaches, fever, joint stiffness, or we could say sensitivity to light, chills, and they are again caused by mosquitoes and midges. So public awareness, controlling the breeding sites of mosquitoes are some of the vital steps that must be taken into account, and controlling vector-borne diseases by using insecticides and elimination of these breeding centers become really important in light of diseases like dengue, Zika, and then even the Oropouche fever.